Welcome back now to Saturday Sports Special. Kicking off with football news, another 3 affiliates were added to the JFF voting list, while 2 were rejected at Saturday's emergency congress held at the Montego Bay Community Centre. But a lot of the Raymond Anderson delegates were left fuming, not by what happened inside, but what happened on the outside.
Delegates to enter.
In what should have been a smooth entry, JFF presidential candidate Raymond Anderson and his delegates were met with some resistance upon reaching the Montego Bay Community College for the JFF Emergency Congress.
Me, as a vice president, Gina can't tell me that yet. Me is a vice president. So tell me now what me for do. And me and him equally. Call him.
The police has intervened.
Oh.
The police has intervened. The police has intervened in a FIFA election.
Tell me you know what to do.
When all was settled, Anderson's team was allowed on the compound of the venue, but it's something he says is disturbing.
They were deliberately trying to intimidate our group. We agree that order must be taken care, but you can imagine coming to a congress, a football-friendly family, as the president would call it, a family setting. But we have to go through 2 security checks. And police security point. And you know what? I watch it. I stay back and look, and there's just only some people that check was done with, right? That check was not for everybody.
As for what happened inside Congress, that left Anderson puzzled, as the Congress refused to accept Intercall and the Referees Association.
The board did not approve them because when they carried the last piece of document, it was after a board meeting. So that again is really unacceptable, because we know that if the president wanted to get the referee and Intercall in at this time, that could happen long ago.
Anderson is also adamant that the Coaches Association should not have been accepted as a member from the last Congress.
It's a paper group that really, the Congress, are from the board to the Congress. We still have evidence that show that this group, that the Congress and the board accept at this time, is still not legal.
There was also a vote for Beach Football Association over beach soccer, beach football coming out on top 26-12.
It's a matter for the Beach Soccer Association to speak to themselves, speak to the legal representative, and they can appeal to the appeal tribunal, or they can appeal to the CFU, CONCACAF, and FIFA.
Meanwhile, ISA and the PFJL found favor with Congress and will be duly added to the voting process, which will take place on January 14.